How do digital elements transform the marketing mix? This video explores the integration of digital aspects into the traditional marketing mix. Discover the impact on product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. Digital products are created and delivered online, like software or ebooks. Traditional products can be enhanced with digital features. An example is Amazon Kindle, offering ebooks and the Kindle device. Digital enhancements provide added value and convenience. This adaptation meets modern consumer expectations. Digital platforms allow for dynamic pricing adjustments. Prices change based on demand and competitor actions. Subscription models offer recurring access to services. Freemium models provide basic services for free with paid upgrades. Netflix's subscription model exemplifies this approach. Digital channels enable online distribution of products. Businesses can reach global audiences without physical stores. eBay's marketplace exemplifies global reach. Digital platforms expand market access. This shift enhances convenience and accessibility. Digital advertising includes social media and influencer marketing. Content marketing attracts and engages audiences. SEO and SEM improve online visibility. Email marketing nurtures customer relationships. HubSpot's strategy combines these elements effectively. Digital tools enhance customer engagement. Social media and online chats facilitate interaction. User experience design improves satisfaction. Online communities build brand loyalty. Nike exemplifies strong digital engagement. Automation streamlines marketing processes. Data analytics offers insights into customer behavior. Customer journey mapping optimizes digital interactions. Salesforce uses automation and analytics effectively. These tools enhance marketing efficiency. Digital presence enhances physical evidence. Website and app design are crucial touchpoints. Online reviews build trust and credibility. Apple's website and customer testimonials exemplify this. Digital footprints strengthen brand perception. Search marketing includes SEO and SEM. SEO optimizes content for organic search visibility. SEM uses paid ads for targeted traffic. Google Ads is a popular SEM tool. Effective search marketing boosts online presence. Social media marketing engages customers on platforms. Content creation is tailored to each audience. Targeted ads reach specific demographics. Engagement through comments and messages builds relationships. This approach enhances brand visibility. Digital advertising includes display and video ads. Native ads blend with platform content. These ads reach audiences across websites and apps. Video ads on YouTube are highly effective. Digital ads offer targeted reach. Digital PR enhances online presence through media. Press releases announce new developments. Influencer collaborations expand reach. Online coverage increases credibility. Digital PR is vital for modern marketing. Digital partnerships leverage shared audiences. Co-branded campaigns enhance visibility. Affiliate marketing rewards referrals. Joint events expand engagement. Partnerships strengthen marketing efforts. Digital messaging includes email and SMS campaigns. Personalized emails nurture customer relationships. SMS offers quick updates and alerts. Instant messaging provides real-time support. Effective messaging enhances communication. Paid media involves promotions on external platforms. PPC and social media ads are common examples. These ads target specific audiences. Affiliate marketing offers commission-based partnerships. Paid media enhances reach. Owned media includes company-controlled assets. Websites, blogs, and social profiles are examples. Content creation builds brand authority. Customer reviews enhance credibility. Owned media strengthens brand identity. Earned media is organic publicity. Sponsorships and mentions increase exposure. Influencer endorsements build trust. Partner emails expand reach. Earned media complements paid and owned efforts. Digital products expand offerings. Core products include software and online courses. Add-ons enhance physical products. Tesla's over-the-air updates are an example. Digital products meet evolving consumer needs. Digital platforms enable new pricing models. Subscription and freemium models attract users. Online discounts boost sales. Dynamic pricing adjusts to market conditions. These strategies maximize revenue. Affiliate marketing involves commission-based partnerships. Co-marketing boosts visibility through collaboration. Joint campaigns leverage shared audiences. Red Bull and GoPro exemplify this strategy. These partnerships enhance reach. Digital tools improve customer service. Live chat offers real-time support. Online knowledge bases provide self-help resources. Amazon's extensive support system is an example. Enhanced service boosts satisfaction. In conclusion, understanding the digital elements of the marketing mix is essential for succeeding in today's technology-driven business environment. Digital platforms have transformed how organizations apply the 4 Ps, expanding opportunities for online promotion, personalized pricing, digital product delivery, and global distribution. By leveraging tools such as social media, search engines, websites, email, and analytics, businesses can reach wider audiences, engage customers more effectively, and measure performance in real time. Mastering the digital marketing mix enables organizations to remain competitive, responsive, and aligned with modern consumer behaviors. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.